Architecture embodies the wisdom of mankind, inherits the history of civilization, and contains the art of the times. Craftsmen are the inheritors of wisdom and civilization, and the creators of space and art. A new strength in the field of steel structure, and a giant of China's steel structure industry. We are Union Construction Group. We're specialized in steel structure business for more than 20 years and have a modern production base of over 100,000 square meters. As a company with national first-class steel structure professional manufacturing qualification and national first-class steel structure professional contracting qualification, we serve customers all over the world by providing quality steel structure solutions. Our products and services cover the development, production, and export of various steel structure factories, steel structure bridges, middle and high-rise steel structure buildings, public steel structure buildings, equipment and facilities construction, environmentally friendly residence. Various products with steel structure. Wall maintenance system composite boards and building boards. Over the past 20 years, we insist on brand value of quality, innovation, integrity, and service, which guide us to be a success. As the most competitive steel structure company in China, we have powerful manufacturing capabilities. We are the governing unit of China Steel Structure Association, China Building Metal Structure Association, and the member unit of Guangdong Steel Structure Association Expert Committee. Whether in scale of production or equipment processing, the management of product quality standards, or the positioning of brands, we are in the leading position in the industry. At the beginning of building factories, we introduced first-class production equipment at home and abroad, including advanced welding equipment and CNC machining equipment. We adopt superb technologies and pursue excellence in each production process, from raw material procurement, component processing, to finished products. At present, Union has more than 1,000 successful projects worldwide. This shows our world-famous reputation and strong competition in the industry. We adhere to the concept of high standards, zero defects, and product quality, and rigorous inspection to ensure that every product produced is of high quality. We focus on the sustainable development concept of green and environmental protection in modern cities and are committed to providing customers with customized, high-quality, and perfect steel structure solutions. With our professional, theoretical knowledge and rich practical experience, we own nearly 20 national inventions and practical patents, which witness our strength. Our products and services are highly praised due to excellent quality. We bring quality products and services to the world. We have professional construction teams for the installation by following design plan and pay attention to every detail in products, thus ensuring that each project demonstrates the value of our brand. As the participation unit of Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport G2 Aircraft Maintenance Project, Union Construction Group won Guangdong Steel Award, the highest honor in Guangdong steel structure industry. Facing the market competition, we have an in-depth understanding that honest, efficiency, and professional services can create more benefits and win more trust for customers around the world. We are constantly pursuing excellence all the time. Our teams are full of energy and creativity. As said by Mr. Liu Xunguang,
友联建设集团21年来一直专注钢结构事业的发展，秉承品质、创新、诚信和服务的品牌理念。我们坚信，专业成就精品，质量决定未来。
In the future, we will take the new opportunity of China's One Belt, One Road initiative to attach much importance to quality, continuous innovation, and sincere service. We will gather talents and seek development with the world, with a global strategic insight. Union Construction Group.